audience, at this stage, we would like to invite Muhammad Rajaul Karim and Junaid Ahmad to the stage for an English conversation.
প্রিয় উপস্থিতি, এই পর্যায়ে ইংরেজি কথোপকথন নিয়ে মঞ্চে আসছেন মোহাম্মদ রেজাউল করিম এবং জুনায়েদ আহমেদ।
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. يغفر الله لنا ولكم. How are you? Alhamdulillah, I am well. And you?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine. What is your name?
My name is MD Rajaul Karim. And you?
My name is Junaid Ahmed. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student. What class do you read in?
I am in class 1. What is your madrasa name?
My madrasa name is Sayyida Mullah Abdul Aziz Nurani Hafija Madrasa and Etim Khana. And you?
My madrasa name is Sayyida Mullah Abdul Aziz Nurani Hafija Madrasa and Etim Khana. What is the name of your madrasa super?
My madrasa super name is Maulana Muhammad Imran Zain Shahid. And you?
My madrasa super name is Maulana Muhammad Imran Zain Shahid too. Are you Muslim?
Yes, I am Muslim. What is your village name?
My village name is Soiga. What is your police station name?
My police station name is Bedorganj. What is your district name?
My district name is Shariatpur. What is your country name?
My country name is Bangladesh. And you?
My country name is Bangladesh.
Okay, nice to talk to you.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Assalamu